Hello and welcome to Fix and Drive. Today I'm going to show you what to do if the battery on your Alfa Romeo key fob dies. First, you want to take the back cover off and remove the key that's in the fob. This will allow you to get access inside the car. Then you want to put the key back in the key fob and cover it back up. Then open your center console and you'll see a silhouette of the key fob at the bottom. What you want to do is put your key face down with the Alfa Romeo logo facing upward in that silhouette. Then you'll see no key fob detected. You'll push the start button. You'll turn the car on. Gives it just enough juice for the car to read the fob. Okay, so now that you got a dead battery, let me show you how to change out the battery. You'll want to use CR2032 cell batteries. You just take the back cover off, pull the key out, and I like to use the key as leverage to twist this cover off. You'll turn it counterclockwise until it's in the unlock position, and then you'll just pull the cover off. And then I like to take the corner of the key and pry it out that way. It'll pop the battery right out. And you just set the old battery aside. So we'll get our new battery. And you'll see two little teeth sticking out. You want to hook it down on that and then push the key in, push the battery in. Put the cover back on. Use the key for leverage. I push down on my finger a little bit, hold it there, and turn it clockwise until it's locked. You'll notice that the key is asymmetrical and that there's a little notch in it. You'll stick it on the ridge on the back of the key to make sure it fits properly. And you put your cover back on, and you're good to go. Thank you, stay safe, and God bless.